Hello, welcome back to Daily English with Diana. And guess what? Starting today, our podcast has a brand new twist. Each episode now comes with a 4-box comic to help you see and remember the lesson more easily. Yes, just like reading a comic book. Want to see it? No problem.Just become a free member right here on this podcast. You will get full access to the comic images through my podcast community. Or head over to my Instagram, where I post each comic alone with a short video version. Okay, now let's dive into today's episode. Today's topic is one we've all experienced.And probably try to ignore body odor and underarm sweat. Picture this. You're on a crowded bus. It's summer. There's no air conditioning. Suddenly, you smell something. You panic and think, wait, oh no, is that my armpit?Don't worry. Let's learn how to talk about this awkward situation in English. Here we go. Dun 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 dun. Mini drama. It's hot. The sun is blazing outside. There's no air conditioning. And everyone is packed in shoulder to shoulder. You are sweating. A lot.And then something smells off. Your friend leans in and whispers, Do you smell that? Do you smell that? You pause and sniff. Uh-oh, that smell might actually come from you. You glance around nervously and say, Oh no, I think that's me.Oh no, I think that's me. You lift your arm slightly. Yep, your shirt is wet. Feeling a little panicked, you say, I forgot deodorant again, and I'm sweating like crazy. I forgot deodorant again, and I'm sweating like crazy. Your friend laughs.And pulls out a spray from her bag. Here, body odor emergency. Here, body odor emergency. A mini disaster saved by a good friend. These phrases are all simple, playful, and super useful. Whether you're joking around,or actually stuck in a sweaty situation.Okay, let's break it down. Number 1, do you smell that? It's a gentle way to say something smells weird. You are not blaming anyone, just noticing. Number 2, oh no, I think that's me. The realization moment. You are not totally sure, but it's likely you. Number 3,I forgot deodorant again, and I'm sweating like crazy. This feels super real. You can use it when you are hot, flustered, and unprepared. Number 4, here, body odor emergency. A funny and casual way to help someone out with deodorant or a wipe. It's friendly and perfect for close friends. Next, let's move to vocabulary spotlight. Let's go over 3 helpful words from today's lesson. Number 1, body odor. Body odor. B-O-D-Y, body. O-D-O-R. Odor. O-D-O-R. Your natural smell when you sweat, often called BO. You can say, Oh, I've got BO I need a shower. Uh-oh, I forgot BO. I need a shower. Number 2, deodorant. D-E-O-D-O-R-A-N-T. D-E-O-D-O-R-A-N-T. Deodorant. Something you use to stop body odor, like a spray, stick, or a roll-on. You can say, Wait, I forgot deodorant this morning. Wait, I forgot deodorant this morning. Number 3, armpit. Armpit. A-R-M-P-I-T. A-R-M-P-I-T. Armpit. The area under your arm where sweat builds up. You can say, My armpits are so sweaty right now. My armpits are so sweaty right now. Mini review. Please say it with me. Do you smell that? Do you smell that? Oh no, I think that's me. Oh no, I think that's me. I forgot deodorant again, and I'm sweating like crazy. I forgot deodorant again, and I'm sweating like crazy. Here, body odor emergency. Here, body odor emergency. Okay, don't forget, you can see the full comic version of this mini drama by joining my free member community. It's super easy and totally free. Or just visit my Instagram, where I post each comic and a matching short video. See it, hear it, and say it. And you will remember these phrases in real life when you really need them. Alright, that's it for today's episode. Thank you for listening. And as always, I'm so happy to have you here with me. Take care, stay fresh, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.